Good morning, guys, and it's gonna be a hot one today. Uploading the vlog from yesterday. Happy Father's Day. I didn't really do anything much yesterday, but yeah, it's gonna be a pretty hot one out today. I don't know how hot it's supposed to get. I think it's like 89 right now. I don't know. It's gonna be really hot. This is dangerous, boys and girls. Don't do this. Peanut butter. Don't do that at home. Finally, you're eating that treat that I gave you? CJ ate hers like a long time ago, didn't ya? You get your good girl. But you, Bear, you're not even eating it. You're supposed to chew it. You know that, right? Right, CJ, you tell him. He doesn't know that, huh? No, he doesn't. He puked last night. But you're okay there, girl. Like right around in there somewhere. Potatoes from last night's supper with the beef. But he's fine though, aren't you, girl? So far, no seizures yet. Yeah, she had it Saturday morning at 9 o'clock in the morning. You marked it down on the calendar right here, so we can keep track, see if she has one again. Hopefully that she doesn't, because she's my baby girl. Ain't that girl? Crazy out here. I don't know if there's a nest or something. But, Bear runs back and forth throughout the yard right here. Right here. He's running. And nope. The birds are following Bear back and forth. I'm gonna go outside and try to get some of it, see if I can catch something.
They're following back and forth, I'm telling you. Well, as soon as you went in the house, that bird followed Bear right over here to the middle fence and stood there on the fence. Bear went back, so did the bird. Just stay over here and watch him. Turn the other on.
Thought I was hitting record, but here you go, guys. I went outside and I tried to film it, but I don't think I got a bird. But I'm trying to get a good thumbnail for today's vlog, but can't seem to get one. There's Bear, every neighbor on outside. Yeah, can't find one. I'll try to get one though. Look at this bird, what the heck? What is he doing? He's just sitting there. What are you doing there, buddy? You look weird. Where's your head at? Or are you just sitting up? I think he's just sitting over it like that. I don't think he has a head. I wonder if I can go from this side and get a good picture of him. So weird. Look at it. There's another one in the yard too. Right there. But this one is just... what the heck? Let's see if I can scare him off. Whoa. Look at this. It's amazing. It will focus. Look at this thing. Holy crap. It's like almost... holy crap, that's amazing. Hi! What's your name? Huh? Do you have a name, buddy? Probably the babies, but what the heck? That's awesome. So weird. So weird. I've been that close to a bird before. Ooh, it's a cool picture. Yummy pizza burgers, I love these. Well guys, time for me to end the vlog for today. How you guys liked it? Those burgers are actually pretty cool. Got some chips, some pizza burgers. I didn't go to my aunt's house today. I think I'm going tomorrow, but I'm not really sure yet. But anyways guys, I hope you liked the vlog. If you're new, please subscribe to me. Really helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys tomorrow as always. Good night.